more. Delete it.
I did. Look.
Okay, I seriously,
Look.
I really want you to delete it.
There. No, it's all
Hey,
gone.
where is it? Where is
There,
it?
it's all gone. This is where it was.
Yeah, no, I know it's there.
No,
Look, man, you're gonna embarrass me.
I'll put it on Facebook.
Delete it.
Oh, shit.
Delete it.
Stop.
Delete it.
I will. Look, I'll delete you.
Where? Fuck you, King. I'm deleting it myself.
Okay, watch. Okay.
Go to my video. What's my video name?
Okay.
First of all, go to my video. Go to
Okay,
my video.
videos.
Go to my video.
I'll delete. Delete. Okay, there.
You didn't delete it. Delete it.
I will. Watch. Watch. Okay, wait, watch. Wait,
Show me the video and then
okay.
delete it.
Ow! Okay, there.
Now delete it.
Okay, delete. Delete it, okay, there.
You can delete it. It's not deleted yet.
I did! I swear to God. Why would I lie to you, Justin? You're like the coolest guy ever.
You know what, Arjun? Stop deleting it.
Oh, stop deleting it? Okay.
Get out. Delete it right now.
I did! I wanted to lie.
Delete it. Prove it.
Okay,
Prove it.
stop spitting on me.
Prove it. Go through all your videos. I want to see.
Okay, okay, I'll delete this one, okay?
Okay, delete that one.
Okay. Delete.
Where's the other one?
And delete. There. And look at my latest video. My latest video is this one. There, that's the latest video.
Don't even do it again, because if you do,
Oh, what matters? Find another way to record.
the Superman Matt guy wants to fuck you,
What?
Don't hit me.
Yeah, should I put this on Facebook?
No.
It's so good. Because I got it on my video. Stop! I stop!
Yo, I want to see it deleted.
I did.
Right now.
I did.
No, seriously, I seriously want to see it deleted.
Okay, here. Okay, watch.
Okay, go through all your videos.
Videos, okay?
All of them.
That's this one. There's this one.
Okay.
And there's this one.
Yep.
There's this one.
Who's that?
Me.
Is that Justin that you're talking?
Yeah, there.
If you do another one, then I'm gonna fuck you up.
Really?
Yeah.
He can't hold in the swear words. Not even recording on the phone. So good.
Whoa, yo.
Okay, why do I swear?
Fucking ass.
Okay, this is too good. Too good. Yeah, is your mom picking you up? Do you want to be in the KKK?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Why Why are you so racist? I heard to fall on the chair again.